Okay, what we've got here is the three parts of the valve. So that's the actual insert for the valve, so that goes inside there, and then the cap which screws on the top. So screw that on loosely. It's important not to tighten it up too much, just leave it fairly loose for the minute. Now we build the horn. We take that piece, put it over like that, take that piece, put it over like that, and then just pull it through, telescopes out, creates the horn, then fit the horn into the end. Now, when we blow it, the air just blows through, so we're going to tighten the valve. So just adjust this till you get a good sound. So that's loose. And tighten it up until you get a good note out of the horn. Thank you.